Safety Toolbox Talk number 264. 20 Energy-Saving Tips for Air Compressor. 1. Proper sizing. Choose the right size compressor to match the demand, avoiding oversizing. 2. Monitor and fix leaks. Regularly inspect for leaks and repair them to reduce energy waste. 3. Optimize system pressure. Lower the system pressure to the minimum required level. 4. Use variable speed drives. VSD. Install VSDs to adjust motor speed based on demand fluctuations. 5. Routine maintenance. Keep air filters, belts, and components in optimal condition through regular maintenance. 6. Heat recovery. Capture and reuse waste heat from compressors for space or water heating. 7. Upgrade to energy-efficient motors. Use high-efficiency motors like IE3 or IE4 rated models. 8. Proper piping design. Minimize piping length and use larger pipes to reduce pressure drops. 9. Eliminate inappropriate uses. Avoid using compressed air for inefficient tasks like cleaning or cooling. 10. Efficient air dryers and filters. Use energy-efficient air dryers and regularly maintain filters to reduce pressure drops. 11. Compressor control systems. Implement advanced control systems, sequencers, to manage multiple compressors more efficiently. 12. Use load/no-load control. Use load/no-load controls where applicable to reduce compressor cycling losses. 13. Optimize artificial demand. Reduce artificial demand by lowering system pressure to the actual required levels. 14. Install air receivers. Use air storage tanks to smooth demand and improve efficiency. 15. Air consumption analysis. Analyze consumption patterns to optimize compressor use and identify savings. 16. Power factor correction. Improve motor efficiency with power factor correction systems. 17. Use timed shutoffs. Automatically turn off compressors during non-working hours to avoid idle power consumption. 18. Energy monitoring. Use energy management systems to track real-time energy use and identify inefficiencies. 19. Upgrade to more efficient compressors. Consider upgrading to oil-free or rotary screw compressors for better energy efficiency. 20. Reduce pressure drops. Regularly inspect and maintain valves, fittings, and connections to minimize pressure drops in the system. Thank you.